Dear Mom and Dad, happy belated Valentine's Day. See, the problem is never in buying the cards, it's in remembering to actually send them. Okay, this is 6th Avenue. I don't know if you can see behind me, but it's nothing but white and snow. So I woke up and it was snowing pretty hard. Mom, here's your snow angel. Say that's for you, Mom, in Florida.
That's for you, Mom, in Florida.
I'm at work right now, but I don't have to be here. I just wanted to come and pick up the video camera. We're experiencing the biggest blizzard that I've ever experienced. I am now leaving work and the lens is still dirty, but we're gonna go downstairs and see if we can go to Times Square and see what it's looking like over there, because I hear there are no cars and it's just all snow. I'm in the middle of Times Square and nobody's at work today. So I was gonna show you real quick. I'll do a quick panoramic of myself of Times Square. The snow here is already turning really, really slushy. I'll show you. This is how it usually gets after a day. So that's why I want to make the tape today. I'll show you. Now I'm starting to understand why we moved to Florida. People always say New Yorkers are the most resilient of any city-goers. I would have to agree with that. I would also have to say New York tourists are also the most resilient of any tourists that I've ever seen. Are you in from out of town?
From Scotland.
What do you think of this crazy snow?
It's worse than it is at home.
Really? Yeah. Say hi to my mom and dad. They're in Florida.
Hi. They'll be warm.
So now there's all this beautiful fluffy white snow everywhere. It makes the city look so pretty. And I actually think it makes people nicer too.
Hi, Mom and Dad.
Hi, Mom and Dad.
Oh, hey, Mom.
Hi, Mom and Dad.
No, Mom and Dad.
Mom and Dad.
Hey, Mom. Hey, Dad. Hey, Mom.
Hey, Mom. Hey, Dad.
That being said, maybe not everyone, but most. It's President's Day. And I almost just got hit by a car. Say, hey, Mom and Dad. All right, thanks. Freezing my ass off, getting ready to head back downtown. Dad, I'll let you know the techniques you use running on the beach through the sand. In other words, you just gotta keep the legs moving. Same technique you use in snow. So I'm just saying, thank you for teaching me the skills of running through the sand and the snow.
Let's see how you do it.
All right, you ready? Walk. It's really hard. Now watch run. So when I got home, my feet were totally wet and my socks were making that squishy sound. But it's all beautiful. And given the state of the world these days, it was a nice reminder to take one day at a time and enjoy every minute we have. And in this particular minute, I just wanted the two of you to know how much I love and miss you every day. Ready? No! Oops. The fact that I have such wonderful parents like you make me want to do something special for no reason.
Keep going.
Keep going. I can't do it anymore. This is for your 80-degree weather in South Florida. I hope you like it. Okay. But you, Mom and Dad, you're always the reason. Okay. I hope you enjoy the tape and laugh a little. It's the next best thing to making a snow angel yourself. Love always, your teddy bear and butterfly, Vanessa Ray.